Welcome back to B Auto Space. My name is Bernard, and today we are not shooting at our normal yards but rather at Jamhuri Car Bazaar. Now if you know that you are new to the channel, kindly ensure that you subscribe, like the video and share if possible. Of course, hii channel yetu inakuwa channel ya wakulima wadogo, and therefore the budget that we are working with today ni ile budget ya wakulima wadogo from 270,000 Kenyan shillings to 1 million. So stay around, watch the video to the end. So number one, we have got this car here. This is Toyota Corolla 110. Angalia venye gari inakaa, pretty clean. Seemingly there is no accident history on this car, and you can see most of the spare parts have been replaced, indicating a good health for the car. Now this one comes with 1500cc engine capacity, alafu ni automatic gear transmission. I think this is a good deal that someone should rush and get, especially if you're a consumer or if you're a dealer and you're not based in Nairobi. Let's say those dealers from Mombasa, unaweza kujia hii gari muende muuze hata 1400 huko. Haya, so hii kama unataka kuja na 395,000 Kenyan shillings, and then tutakufanyia discount kidogo, and of course utaenda na gari. I have got the contact for the owner, so if you are interested, just give me a call or you can WhatsApp me so that we can arrange. Gari iko Nairobi, we can arrange on how you can view this car, and then we do the due diligence with you together. Thereafter, you pay for the car and then you drive home comfortably. With only 395, you are good to go on this unit. Pretty clean car, accident free car. Haya, so kuna wale ambao wanauliza kama kwa hii gari tunaweza fanya ile car finance. Hapana, kwa hii gari hatuwezi fanya car finance kwa sababu the year of make is below 2000. Tulisema ile kampuni zenye tuko nazo, ile yenye inapokea magari mzee kabisa wanapokea magari za 2000. So zile magari zilitengenezwa year 2000, hizo ndo magari wana finance. Lakini hizi za 1999 hivyo ikirudi nyuma, they are not financing those. So number 2, we have Toyota Vitz. You can see KBN number plate, pretty good car. Ladies in the house or first time car buyers, or if you are looking for something that you can use for taxi purposes and all that, please come for this Toyota Vitz. Year of make ni 2004. Engine capacity 1000cc engine capacity, alafu ni automatic gear transmission. It's also another clean car by the way, pretty clean, and it's for Lana by the way. Unaweza ona hapo hivyo iko na sticker ya Lana. So probably this person is thinking of upgrading, or maybe he want to divert his funds towards other activities. Let me show you the interior. Very very clean. Dashboard area imetulia vizuri, haina mambo mengi. Wale ambao wanatafuta magari clean, gari kuwe safi venye huwa mnaniambianga mkinitumia text ama mkifanya inquiry kwamba Ben, nitafutie gari yenye ni safi, gari yenye haitanisumbua, ndio hii sasa gari. So with a budget of 420,000 Kenyan shillings and the price is still negotiable, please come and get this unit for yourself. Remember the engine capacity ni 1000cc. We normally have two engine capacities for Vitz. Kuna kuwaga na 1000, alafu kuna kuwaga na ile ya 1300cc. The only difference is that the other one has got more power than the 1000cc. So if you are interested, please come with 420. Hapa hivi tunaweza kutafutia mtu wa finance, wa kufinance alafu uende na gari. Now look keenly on the edges of the bonnet. Haijai gongwa, gari haijai gongwa, so that means hii gari haina any history of accident. But with a budget of 420, you are good to go on that unit. Now we have got another car, Toyota Corolla 110, still KAX number plate, of course a 1999 silver in color. Not really 1999, this is 2000. Hii ilitengenezwa 2000. I think these were the latest versions of Toyota Corolla 110. Ni silver in color, inakuja na 1.5 liter ama 1500cc engine capacity, alafu ni automatic, right? KAX number plate. The body condition, I think it's better than the first one that we had shown, but then the price is a bit crazy. do not run away. That is the price that is indicated on this car. Now if you are interested, please come with 520,000 Kenyan shillings, and the budget and that price is still negotiable. So this is what 520,000 can get you when you're looking for an old school car. I think the interior of this car seems like still a new car, na pia iko na debe hapo ndani, of course ni ngoma. 5-seater car, pretty clean. I like the interior, very clean, and of course a bit spacious as well. So hii gari haina dent kwa body, meaning it is an accident free car. Acha nionyeshe huku kwa pilot. So the interior also looks very clean, nothing you need to do. Acha nionyeshe kwa bonnet area. What do you think about 520 with this car? Let me know at the comment section. By the way, let me know at the comment section what about the 520,000 on this unit. Engine area, everything looks very clean. Of course, kila kitu pia inakaa ni kama haina loose part. Everything is just okay. Now with a budget of 520, let me know if the car is overpriced or the price is just okay. Now let's move to the next unit, and we have what we call Subaru Leon. Way back in 1990, quite an old car, white in color. Alafu hii gari inakuja na 1600cc engine capacity, alafu ni manual gear transmission. I like how the owner has done the exterior work. Looks pretty clean and of course intact. With a budget of 270, of course ilikuwa imetangazwa na 290 yenye ilikuwa imeandikwa hapa hivi, but then if you come with 270, I think the owner ataachilia gari, wewe umpatie pesa, wewe uende na gari. Let me show the interior. One thing that you'll realize with these cars is that they are well maintained, even if the prices are a bit high, but zimetunzwa vizuri. Look at the interior of this car. A 1990 car still looking this clean. I think the owner deserves some merits. Yeah, so that is what 270,000 Kenyan shillings can get you at Jamhuri Car Bazaar. I know so many of you are waiting for this part. That is the cheapest one, and of course we have others that are so cheap. We are going to present, of course, in the next video, but still, even in this video, we still have some more vehicles that are still on offer, so just stay around. Now next, we have got this unit called Jeep Patriot, black one in color, KCQ number plate. Year of make, of course, ni 2011. Jeep Patriot. Patriot. I like how this car was made. Like it really looks like the late Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga ilikuwa inaitwa Hammer. Yeah, almost the same design, though Hammer inaka a bit spacious, but almost kama hii Jeep Patriot. So year of make tumesema 2011. Engine capacity 2350. That's quite a big engine. Ni kama engine ya Harrier ile ya kitambo. Of course ile ya kitambo inatoka na 2400cc. Now with a budget of 1 million Kenyan shillings, this is what you can get at Jamhuri Car Bazaar. So if you are interested, you want to buy this car, just give me a call. I'll be able to connect you where the car is, and then you can organize on how you can come for viewing, view the car, do your due diligence. And I always insist, please, before you buy your car, especially hizi zenye tunatangaza Car Bazaar, do your due diligence. Sawa, there's a trend that is going on, by the way. You'll just allow me to speak about it before we proceed. There's a trend that is going on whereby you find like people who normally ask for photos, you find someone is asking for photos, anauliza gari iko wapi, wanakuja na client. You may not know that client ako hapo ndani, but wao wanakuja na client, wanaonyesha client gari, and then wanarudi. Wakisha rudi, these people tend to okay, they assume that they are the owners of that car, and then wanamwambia client awatumie do. Pesa ikishatumwa huko kwao, wewe unarudi mahali gari ilikuwa, unaambiwa hapana, you have not bought this car through our company, and therefore kindly look for those people wenye wamekuuzia gari. There's that trend that is going on. So if you're a client na umepata hawa watu wako ambao huwa mnakuja nao field, sometimes you find you have 3 of you or 4 of you, be very very careful. Now the next one we have a Toyota Camry 2005 model. Sorry for that, we are going to continue with that later. Toyota Camry 2005 model, engine capacity 1990 cc engine capacity, alafu ni automatic. Leather interior, pretty good car. Of course the interior looks very clean, you can confirm that, with some nice wood trimming over there, wood finishing around the gear knob area and even the door, at the door panel. So with a budget of 685, this is what you can get at Jamhuri Car Bazaar. If you are interested, do let me know. Financing option is also arranged. Of course, Space will has organized one. So any time that you are ready, just let us know so that you can come with 40% and then the rest will be financed. Of course, ensure that you come with 3,000 for valuation and also pesa ya insurance, alafu vitu zingine kama M-Pesa statement na hizo zingine, passport photo, KRA pin na ID. Yeah, so that is what 685 can get you at Jamhuri Car Bazaar. Now, what we were talking about sometimes back, but before we talk about that, we have the next unit. This is Toyota Vista, KBJ number plate. Sometimes back, I think right now it is almost 1 month, there's a client who asked for Toyota Vista. If you're still watching my videos, please kindly note that we have more of them that are going on sale, but at a good price. So hii inakuja na 1.8 liter petrol engine, alafu ni automatic gear transmission, a 2003 model, white in color. Gari imetunzwa vizuri, you can confirm that, inakaa ni mpya. Acha niwaonyeshe ndani. Welcome to the interior. This is how the interior looks like. Acha tuonyeshe hapa hivi, inakaa fiti sana. Armrest ndio hiyo iko hapo, cup holder iko hapo mbele. So with a budget of 645, please come for this car. With a budget of 645, kindly come for this car. Now, as we were talking about hiyo issue ya mnaonyeshwa picha and then hata mnaletwa ground, mnaona gari, and then these people tend to say that, we cannot just see one vehicle and then we settle on that, please let us go and see the other. Wataenda wakuonyeshe gari yenye haikai poa, and then watakwambia sasa kitu tufanye, wewe lipia ile gari ya kwanza tulikuwa tumeona. At that point hata mshafanya search mpaka wakaprint fake logbook, right? Hata wako nayo hapa, hata alafu watawadanganya eti hiyo gari either ni yao ama wanajua wenyewe. So wewe uwalipe tu pesa, uende baadaye uchukue gari pale mahali mlikuwa mmeona gari, bit ya yard ama mahali mwenyewe alikuwa amepark gari. Please do not be deceived. Unaona? Wewe lipa mwenye gari pesa. Kama unataka kununua gari, lipa mwenye gari, sio mtu mwenye anakuambia eti hii gari ni mimi najua mwenyewe ama ni mimi ndo mwenyewe, yet the logbook is not showing his name. Number 2, lipa gari kwa ofisi. Achana na mambo ya kulipa gari huko Shell, sijui Total ama Rubis ama wapi, please. Haya, acha tuache hiyo. So next one tuko na hii Toyota Platz 2005 model, inakuja na 1000cc engine capacity, alafu ni automatic. For those who are looking for a Toyota Platz yenye iko in good condition, we have got this one here for you. KBL number plate, year of make 2005, of course we have said that. Na leo kumenyesha huku, by the way, there's a lot of mud the ground is so slippery and all that, but lazima tuwaonyeshe magari. Hii content lazima tuwapatie. So with a budget of 550, I know someone might be thinking that I'm crazy. I'm not crazy, it's only that the price has been indicated on the car. So with a budget of 550, kujia hiyo gari. Last but not least, we have got what we call Toyota Wish KCC number plate, white in color, a 2008 model, accident free car. Gari ni buy and drive, safi kuruka. With a budget of only 740, please come for this car. Alafu hii ni gari ya 1800cc. Of course, it's also a family car that has got a low engine. Kumbuka family cars, the likes of Velfire, the likes of Alphard, the likes of Noah, hizo Serena, hizo nini zao zinakuwa juu sana. But Wish inakuwa 7 seater, of course 7 seater and above, those are family cars, but engine yake inakuwa 1800cc. That's a good engine, or rather small engine. Na pia kuna Sienta, it's also another good engine, 1500cc. So with 740,000 kuja uchukue hii gari, sawa? Just give a call or WhatsApp me, leave a comment so that we can know where to improve on or what to do next. And allow me say thank you so much guys for taking your time if you have made it to this end, because we are coming to an end of this video, and more of these videos are yet to come. Of course, we have got high-end cars that are coming. In the next video, probably we are going to post high-end cars, but zile high-end car ambazo ni za wakulima wadogo. Thank you so much. May God bless you.